Okay, I'm getting ready to do a review on my AGV Sport jacket. I think it's a GP Corsa. It's an Italian-made leather racing jacket, and I paid like $200 on what do you call it? It was on sale, so it was on eBay. So I didn't really get to try it out before I bought it, but I thought, oh, size 50, it will definitely fit US and 60 euros. So okay, it's made by Italy. It's designed in Italy. So, but this is my old leather jacket, and it's a 46. You'll see right here, it says 46, and I'll show you the fit. Not sure how well you'll see it, but this is how this jacket fits. This is not the Italian-made leather. I can zip it up nicely, and I have room. I have lots of room. This AVG jacket I just bought. Barely get my arm in it. And there's hardly any room. I can't even squeeze into this thing. It's so tight. I mean, I'd have to lose 30 pounds before this thing fits me. So I'm thinking about turning it back in, get my money back. But if you ever buy an AVG jacket, and it's even got straps here on the side, but they're already taken off like as far as they can. And I can't even zip it up. I don't want to be a fat man in a little coat. So if you got any questions or comments, let me know. Just thought I'd take away from the hassle of buying a coat that doesn't fit. Okay.